Preparation of benzene. First method of preparation from sodium benzoate. Knowing the formula of sodium benzoate, you can write the equation. In the lab, benzene is prepared by heating sodium benzoate with soda lime. Soda lime is a mixture of sodium hydroxide and calcium oxide. Write the sodium hydroxide as a reactant along with the sodium benzoate and calcium oxide above the arrow. The products are benzene and sodium carbonate. Write the equation. Second method of preparation from phenol. Phenol, the structural formula, write that structural formula for the equation. When phenol is distilled with zinc dust, benzene and zinc oxide are formed. Write the equation. Physical properties. Page number 805. 6 physical properties are given. Please refer the text. Chemical properties. Electrophilic substitution reaction with mechanism. Halogenation, nitration and sulfonation. Substitution reactions are most characteristic and useful reactions of benzene. Benzene undergoes electrophilic substitution reactions readily. This is because benzene ring contains a delocalized pi molecular orbital containing 6 pi electrons and thus act as a source of electron for attacking the electrophile. These reactions involve the replacement of one or more hydrogen atoms of the ring by the electrophile. We know that any electrophile is electron loving. That means they will be positively charged. The mechanism can be explained in 3 steps. Let E plus represents the electrophile. That means electron loving. Therefore, it is positively charged. Electrons are negatively charged particle. Electron loving means these electrophiles are positively charged particle. 2. A base B minus is required for the removal of H plus from the ring. Then third one. Because of the liberation of this H plus, the substituted product is formed. That means electrophile substituted benzene is formed. Let us see the steps. The first step, the benzene ring, in that it is a carbon atom carrying the hydrogen. That is, it is only one hydrogen is shown because only one hydrogen is eliminated in this case. Plus E plus means an electrophile. This is called the first step. As a result of the electron cloud in the benzene ring, this attracts, this is negatively charged. Electrophiles are positively charged. These are attracted by the electron cloud of the benzene ring. Thereby, this E tried to get attached to the benzene ring. Meantime, the hydrogen which is connected to the benzene ring, the 2 electrons are given to benzene and H is eliminated as H plus. That H plus will join with the base B minus which we already mentioned and forms HB. And the electrophile is directly attached to the benzene ring. These are the different steps takes place. 3 examples are mentioned in the syllabus. Halogenation. That means let us take chlorination. In presence of ferric chloride, chlorine molecule split by heterolytic fission Cl plus and Cl minus. This Cl plus is known as the electrophile. And Cl minus join with the halogen carrier FeCl3 and form FeCl4 and which act as a base B minus. In presence of the benzene ring, this electrophile tried to be attracted because of the electron cloud and Cl get attached to the benzene ring. Meantime, the hydrogen is eliminated as H plus by giving the electron here on the benzene ring. Thereby, chlorine can form a bond with benzene. because chlorine is deficient because it comes as Cl plus. When it get the electron from the hydrogen which is given here, it forms a bond with the benzene ring. And this FeCl4, that is the base, that will react with the hydrogen and forms HCl, and FeCl3 is liberated, and that is why it acts as a catalyst. Bromination, same principle, FeBr3 is used. Ferric bromide. Bromine undergoes electrolytic fission and forms Br plus, and Br minus reacts with FeBr3 and forms the base FeBr4 minus. This is called the base. This H is eliminated and forms HBr, and FeBr3 is liberated. That is the mechanism for bromination. Nitration mechanism. For nitration, benzene to be heated with concentrated nitric acid and concentrated sulfuric acid and forms nitrobenzene and water. The mechanism, first step, nitric acid is getting converted into OH minus and NO2 plus. This is the electrophile E plus. H2SO4 split into H plus and HSO4 minus, and this is going to act as a base. H and OH minus combines together and forms water molecule. This NO2 plus, which is the electrophile, because of the electron cloud, comes to the benzene, get attached to the benzene ring, and hydrogen is eliminated as H plus. That will join with the base and form H2SO4. And the NO2 group is attached to the benzene ring and known as nitrobenzene. Similarly, the sulfonation. For sulfonation, 2 molecules of sulfuric acid converts it into H3O plus, HSO4 minus, and SO3. This SO3, S plus O3, actually it is S plus O3, which acts as an electrophile. When the electrophile comes closer to this benzene ring because of the electron cloud, SO3, that is S plus O3, get attached to the benzene ring, and the hydrogen is removed from here by giving both the electron here, so that SO3 directly attached to the benzene ring. In presence of the base HSO4 minus, this H will join with HSO4 minus and form H2SO4. That is the first step. Since SO3 minus is there on the benzene ring, H3O plus ion, from that H plus comes and join with SO3H and forms SO3H, and water molecule is liberated. Therefore, the final product is benzene sulfonic acid. This is SO3H and a benzene ring. Benzene sulfonic acid and water.